If your goal is to build a side hustle that consistently generates $50K per year, then you're in the right place. Welcome back to our Zeek YouTube channel, your ultimate resource for e-commerce success. Today, we are unveiling a 12-month plan to help you achieve that $50K annual revenue milestone. We have extensively analyzed thousands of e-commerce stores to discover how they transition from zero sales to $50,000 worth of sales in a year. But here's the catch. We are breaking it down into quarters to make it super manageable and achievable because after all, this is a side hustle. So now let's get started by getting started on eBay. So in quarter one, the first thing first is you'll be diving into the world of eBay. It all starts with signing up. First, you will need to create an email address using Gmail, ideally with your store name. If you can't come up with a name yourself, be sure to utilize ChatGPT to come up with some generic store names for you. Next, head to eBay.com and create your very own store using that new email address. Now, for a detailed tutorial on how to do this, check out our channel or click the link in the video description for quick access. Now that you're all set up on eBay, you will want to sign up for some crucial tools like Zeek for product research and also choose between AutoDS and SaleFreaks for listing software. Now it's time to boost your credibility on eBay, and the best way for you to do that is by buying cheap items and getting positive feedback as a buyer. So scroll eBay and look for things you may actually need or cheap items and order them to get that credibility up. We're still in Q1, so now it's time to list your first one-to-do items, and I suggest getting something from home, new or used, taking a few photos with a smartphone, and uploading those items to your store. Now, when uploading, be sure to complete all item specifics as well as the item description when uploading all of the items to your stores because this plays a huge part in the eBay algorithm and the ranking of your item. This way, you can get the hang of things when it comes to eBay, the ordering, the customer service, as well as the shipping. Now, once you understand the flow and have a few items listed, now it's time to call eBay. You want to give eBay a call to increase your selling limits so you can keep growing. Your goal is to list products every day during this quarter, but spread them out over 30 days to avoid hitting those selling limits too soon. Now that you have increased your seller limits, it's time to find yourself a supplier so that you can start searching for items. And this way, you are sure to reach your selling limits, but not pass them too soon. Remember, we are still in Q1 and we've already done so much. We now are at the step of selecting a supplier. Keep in mind, when it comes to picking a supplier, we recommend starting with giants like Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress. These guys have a lot of products to offer, so be sure you are calling eBay and requesting an increase in your selling limits every month. Okay, for sure by now you have got the hang of things on eBay. You may have made some money or just broke even, and that is amazing. That means we're on the right track. So now let's focus on profitable items. It's important to start with low-priced items with high demand, and you can gain confidence working with a supplier and speaking to customers. Once you feel you are ready and have all of the confidence in the world, it's time to transition to more profitable items. Before Q1 ends, it's very important to set a goal for yourself as well as your store. By the end of Q1, aim to have at least 300 listings, but don't stop there. 300 to 500 listings is a realistic target that can already bring in $300 to $500 in profit per month. So Q1 is over. You have your store with good reviews, you have some listings, you've been in contact with eBay, and you have your selling limits increased, you have a relationship with a supplier, and you have set your goals for Q2. You are on a roll. But don't stop there. Let's now jump into the crucial steps for Q2. And quarter two starts with scaling up your eBay store. In quarter two, it's all about scaling up your eBay store. Focus on listing more items with the goal of reaching 1,000 listings by the end of the quarter. What we have done in Q1 is what we need to repeat for the rest of the year, only with bigger and better items, allowing for bigger and better profit. But in order to do all of this, you may need some help at this stage. Help that comes from tools that do half of the work for you. Intriguing, right? If you're short on time for manual product research, consider upgrading to Zeek's Pro Plus plan and use the bulk scanner to find items more quickly. And don't worry, we do talk about these tools more in depth in other videos, so be sure to check out our channel for everything that you will need. In this particular side hustle, quality is key. Aim for at least 4 sales every 14 days with an average selling price between $15 to $50. While you are at it, selling high-ticket items can also work, but we suggest doing this with local suppliers like Amazon or Walmart, but of course not limited to. Many Chinese suppliers have warehouses around other countries for faster and cheaper shipping times, but be sure to do your research for each of them. Following these steps and applying the correct tools for outside help by the end of quarter 2 with 1,000 active listings, you can reach a profit of $1,000 to $1,500. Let's now move on to quarter 3. Quarter 3 is all about scaling further with automation. Now that you've proven your profitability, it's time to scale even more. Your target for quarter 3 is to have 3,000 active listings by the end. To achieve this, consider upgrading your Zeek subscription and make use of the autopilot feature, which automates the process of finding high-quality items. This way, you can focus on building another side hustle or just even relaxing and allowing the profit to come to you even while you're sleeping. Check out the link in the bio for an in-depth video on what Zeek and the use of the autopilot tool can do for your business. So by now, I'm sure you have realized that the hardest part of this side hustle is not to be lazy and just getting started. Everything else is repeating the steps for each quarter, but on a higher level. It's kind of like a game. You have set the base for success, and we are here to help you through it all. So be sure to subscribe to our channel for daily videos on how to scale your business and the tools to use and how they work in order to be successful. So now, last but not least, we move on to quarter 4. Q4 is all about reaching the $50,000 profit goal. Quarter 4 is all about reaching new heights. Gradually grow your store. Learn how to use automation and bulk listings effectively. By this time, you're ready to list even more. Aim for 10,000 active listings. The more high-ticket items, the better. In this quarter, to achieve the ultimate goal of this plan, which is $50,000 in 1 year of profit. And there you have it, the roadmap to making $50,000 a year on eBay. It's all about consistent effort and utilizing the right tools and scaling your store. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Don't be lazy and just do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this with anyone looking to supercharge their side hustle. And of course, if you have any questions or need more guidance, leave a comment down below. For more in-depth resources, check out the links in the video description and also check out our channel. We have all the guides there that you need. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.